Hi friends, good morning. Myself Mr. VR Sanaf, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department of KQAK Polytechnic Nasik. Friend, today we are going to discuss about the classification of steel. So there are different types of steels. So first on the basis of carbon, that is plain carbon steel. So here under category of plain carbon steel, there are three types of plain carbon steel, that is low carbon steel, medium carbon steel and high carbon steel. So in case of low carbon steel, the carbon percentage is vary from 0.08% to 0.30%. In case of medium carbon steel, the percentage of carbon is 0.30 to 0.60, and in high carbon steel the percentage of carbon is 0.60 to 2%. So second is the on the basis of amount of alloying element and carbon. So here the low alloy steel and high alloy steel. Then on the basis of deoxidation, that is rimmed steel, killed steel and semi killed steel. Next, classification of steel on the basis of grain coursing characteristics, that is basic open hearth, electric furnace, basic oxygen process, acid open hearth. The next one on the basis of depth hardening, non hardenable steel, shallow hardening steel, deep hardening steel. Then next on the basis of form and use, that is boiler steel, corrosion and heat resistant steel, deep hardening steel, deep drawing steel, electrical steel, free cutting steel, structural steel, machining steel, tool steel and case hardening steel. So the first, that is the plain carbon steel. It is generally defined as alloy of iron and carbon, but carbon steels contain small amount of other element. In addition to carbon, steels are generally contain small amount of sulfur, phosphorus, silicon and manganese. The properties of steel are dependent primarily on the carbon content and to a large extent upon other element. Carbon steels are different from cast iron as regard the percentage of carbon. Carbon steel contains 0.10% to 0.50% carbon, whereas cast iron possesses from 1.8% to 4.2%. It is used for casting manholes and engine body and for manufacturing the other parts. There are three types of plain carbon steel, that is low carbon steel, medium carbon steel and high carbon steel. In case of low carbon steel, the percentage of carbon is varies from 0.08% to 0.30%. Then medium carbon steel contains 0.30 to 0.60% carbon, whereas high carbon steel contain 0.60 to 2% carbon. We will see one by one. The first one, that is the low carbon steel. This low carbon steel also called as a mild steel. So it is an alloy of iron and carbon. Following is the composition of low carbon steel or mild steel. So mild steel is the commonest carbon steel with a range of 0.05% to 0.3% carbon. Further, it is classified into two types, that is dead mild steel 0.05 to 0.15% carbon, mild steel that is 0.20 to 0.30% carbon. Then another, there are some properties of low carbon steel. Bright fibrous in structure, can be readily forged and welded, can be permanently magnetized and rust rapidly. There are some applications. It is used in steel wire, then sheet rivets, screw, pipe nail and chain. Then it is also used for manufacturing the camshafts, sheets, strips for fan blades. Then use for manufacturing the different types of valves, that is flow control valve, direction control valve, pressure reducing valve, then different types of gears, then crankshafts, connecting rod, railway axles. These are some applications of low carbon steel. Then second type, that is the medium carbon steel. So it is similar to low carbon steel except in carbon composition. So following is the composition of medium carbon steel. So here the carbon varies from 0.3 to 0.6% and small quantities of manganese, silicon, phosphorus and sulfur are added. So the following is the property of medium carbon steel. It has better hardness and tensile strength. It has lower ductility and higher strength. It can be easily rolled, forged, welded and machined. Following is the application. It is used for key stocks, then shift and brake lever spring clips, axles, then used for manufacturing the die blocks, used for manufacturing the set screw, wall springs and plate punching. The next, that is the high carbon steel. So following is the composition of high carbon steel. Here it contains a carbon from zero point 0.6 to 1.6%. Then silicon is 0.15 to 0.3%. Manganese 0.15 to 0.35% and chromium 0.2%. The other element added in very small quantities such as sulfur and phosphorus. Following are the properties of high carbon steel. It is hardest with limited ductility. It is tough and hard. It can withstand with vibration and impact loads. It has less machinability. So this is the properties of high carbon steel. Then there are some advantages and applications of high carbon steel. So first we will see the advantages. It has better mechanical properties. Then permeability is high in high carbon steel. It can be used for high spring materials and high strength wires. Then there are some applications of high carbon steels. It is used for manufacturing cold chisels, then hacksaw shear blades, wrenches and jaws. Then this high carbon steel also used for manufacturing rock drills, circular jaws, lip spring, then music wires, machine chisels and other materials. Then it is also used for producing keys, pins, speed disk, mandrel tap machine tool news and other material. Thank you.